go on the formula. We have not finished. Make sure you put it in the quotation marks. So if it's true that K2 is greater than 7699, then good work done, keep improvement should be written. What if it's false? Then we test again. So if K2 is greater than, so let's come to our table, 750, 650. So it means 649. If it's more than 649, if it's more than 649, if it's more than 649, then this should be written, more room for improvement. So you cut it and come and paste it here. You close it with a quotation mark, you bring a comma. What if it's false? Then if it's false, we test again. If it's false, we test again. If it's false, we test again. So that's how it works. If K2 is greater than, so let's come here, 600, more than 600. So it means 599. 599. If it's more than 599, what should be written? Well done, but more room for improvement. So you come and cut it. You go and paste it here. Comma. You go again, we test again. If K2 is greater than, so we are on this session 500 to, if greater than 499, 499, comma, what should be written? Average performance. Average performance. So you cut and go and paste it here. You cut and paste it. You close it with a quotation mark. Make sure you, whatever you want it to be written should be in a quotation. Open and close quotation mark. Take note of that. Then we test again. If K2 is greater than, so we are on this 450. So if it's more than 449, 449, you bring your comma. What should be written? You bring your open quotation marks. Then it means you must sit up. There is need for parental care. You copy it. You come and paste it here. You close it with the quotation mark. Go again. We test again. If K2 is greater than, this one is 400 and above, so it means 399. 399 is greater than 399. Since after 399 we have the last you have the last value, which is below the 400. That's how we go about it. So if is greater than 399, what should be written there? Come here. This should be written. Below average, you must work hard. There is a need for parental care, so you cut it. Let's come and paste it here. You bring your R. If it's false, then automatically, it will be for the last thing. So if it's false, what should be written is this. So you bring your quotation, you paste it here. So the formula that I've keyed in here, let me try to explain it further. This is what will happen. At the class teachers remarks column, Excel will look through the marks in K2 for AMA. We'll look through for the marks in K2 for AMA. So if AMA, let's assume AMA got 10, but Excel will start from the first one. So if AMA got 10, it means the first one is false. AMA got 10. So if K2 is greater than 79, AMA is not there, so that place will be skipped. Then it will go to the next one. It's checking. Is AMA's marks greater than 749? No. If no, then it will check again. Is AMA's marks more than 7699? No. Then if it's no, it means false. False means you have to check again. So that's why it will check to the last then the last formula. So that's how it works. So after that, please, you have to count the number of open bracket. We have open bracket how many times? This is the first open bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. There's another open bracket. 6, 7, 8. So since we have 8 open bracket, it means we should have 8 closing bracket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you click on enter. You see, it has appeared. That column. It has appeared at that column. So that's how. So there is nothing here, so it means it's 0. And if it's 0, below average, you must work out. There is need for parental care. That's what it will appear. Quickly, let me go and paste in the formula for head teachers. Now this PDF that I make, I'll send it to you, so don't worry. So the head teachers formula is here, so let me just copy it and go and paste it there. You can do it that way. So I just click on enter.